We will try to understand about we have anomalies, like while we are monitoring our LLM, we are monitoring our applications which we have deployed, which is using models, right? So we need to capture the tracing. Tracing means how it is talking to an API. If there is a delay in talking, like one application is talking to another application, but there is a lag between these two application. So to trace that, we need tracing, and for tracing we use Jagger uh, to know the API latency, and then for logs, because we want to understand the uh, the error, what was the error which caused the application to fail, that we will understand through logs. And logs we collect through Loki, that is one of the tool we have. And if we have to collect the matrix, like RAM, CPU, disk, network, then we require the application that is Prometheus, and we use Node Exporter to extract the matrix, to extract the traces, to extract the logs. Okay, with the help of Node Exporter, we are taking these information, and then we are collecting all these data into our central place, and then we are visualizing these information into a dashboard, because we need to understand why there is an API delay, why the application is crashing, what is the capacity status we have. So all those information is needed for monitoring purpose, right? Now when we deploy the agents, when we deploy the LLMs, when we deploy the models, then there are the information we need to know, what is happening, what went wrong, how it is performing, how efficient it is. So all those informations will be collected through these different applications, and then we will visualize. This is one way. Now how the AI will be get utilized into this process to streamline it into an automated way, because if manual analysis is there, that it will check the history. Okay, this went wrong, that went wrong, and like this it will do the analysis, right? Or maybe we are checking based on alerts, like we got this particular issue and then we are going for RCA, or then we are detecting an anomaly, right? But with the help of AI, we can have the setup to detect the anomaly, like something is going unusual. So it can detect and it can alert, like this particular thing is happening unusual. I suspect there is some issue I'm detecting. Can you please check this? So we will be able to see that unusual behavior of the application. And second thing goes for root cause analysis. Like we need SRE, we need life site engineers, we need different teams to come to a trias and then fix the issue or revert the particular change if it is impacting high number of customer in the production, right? So all these things are there. So we need an immediate fix, or we need to have the RCA done speedily. So for that we can implement AI, and that AI can, take actions on behalf of a human, but there would be human in a loop, but not a dependency on the human only, because there would be a delay in coordination, there would be a delay in decision making. But when we have the system in the place, then it is standard, and it is being controlled, it is being trained over the period of time, right? That is one thing. And so like from where we'll be getting the traces, we'll be getting the traces from the endpoint. Like, let's say if we want to analyze the anomaly, then we can analyze it by getting the the data from um, Locky endpoint, right? And we can also scrape the data from um, we have Jagger endpoint, and we have Prometheus endpoint. Grafana, that is just for visualization, but still we have Grafana MCP. So we can integrate our LLM with Grafana MCP, and this way we'll be able to know about our infrastructure, about our anomalies, about the RCA, and about the automative actions, like, like self healing. Let's say if a server needs to be restarted, so it can be taken care. If a server needs to reimage, then it that can be done by the automation. And if there is a requirement of scaling, then that can also be done. If, and let's say if there is a requirement to take dump of a particular process, that we can take, right? So that is like how we can utilize AI, and we can make the usage efficient. And so this is all about how we do the predictive analysis. Like, we can predict the capacity also. uh, let's say the number of users are increasing, so it can give us the proactive suggestion to increase that many capacity to handle the request, so that we don't lose our user. So that is all about anomalies detection, doing RCA, doing auto healing for the infrastructure. And and like, these are the different endpoints from where we can collect the data, or we can scrape the data and utilize it for our like these purpose to, you can say, leverage.